It's going off again.
Flood warning in effect from this morning until further notice.
Another river flood warning.
Moderate flooding is forecast.
Moderate flooding.
Where? Passaic River at Thank Brook. When? From this morning until further notice. Impacts at 19.
I think it's going to be doubleheader.
Street flooding begins in Fairfield, including Camp Lane Road. Two Bridges Road is closed going into Lincoln Park and Wayne. At 19.
Let me see if KZ's either. KZ's 31 got the alert too.
Stewart Place is closed. At 20.5 feet, Bloomfield Avenue in West Caldwell floods. Matt Drive, Brook Street, and Oak Road in Fairfield are flooded and subject to closures. At 21 points.
Oh wait, it did not go off on KZ's 31.
Flood. Route 46 East and Wayne is shut down. Commercial properties on Bloomfield Avenue in West Caldwell are flooded. Additional details at 8:15 a.m. Thursday. The stage was 18.7.
It's 9:14 a.m.
The river is expected to rise above flood stage this afternoon and continue. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services, call enforcement, and request a pass information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. It's 9.
No.
w.weather.gov today. Safety flash. Flood. Flood warning is canceled.
It's not a doubleheader.
The flood warning is canceled for southeastern Ontario County.
Yeah, it's not a doubleheader.
The Nishannet Creek at Reeville has fallen below flood stage. The heavy rain has ended. Flooding is no longer expected to pose